Welcome to the Python tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to send email by using Python script. So here I just opened a Python script. I'm going to create a simple program. So first we have to import a library which is SMTP library. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, which means that SMTP is used to send any mail to the mail server, and there is a POP, which is post office protocol, in receiver server, which is used to receive the mail. So now let's import the SMTP library, which is SMTP lib library. After that we have to write the content. So here I used a variable which is content. You can write anything. And now here I just write hello, I am from Python. And now after that we have to use a SMTP library which is mail equal to, mail is a variable, you can use anything, SMTP library dot capital SMTP, which is simple mail transfer protocol, and inside the parenthesis I just write smtp dot gmail.com. So here we have a free mail server which is smtp.gmail.com, which is from Google. And now I'm gonna assign a SMTP host which is 587, and after that I just write mail.ehlo. I'll put parenthesis. In the next line I just write mail.start TLS. So these are the inbuilt method which we used in Python to send any messages. Just write mail.login. So login is the function which is used to log in our account. So here I just put my email account, which is, and after that I'll just put my password, and in the next line I just used mail.sendMail. So these all are the function which we are used. So here we put the email address from, so which is my email address, and after that we have to write the email address to, which is .com, and after that I'll just put content, which is our message, and now I just write mail.close when the mail is sent. And now let's run this module. Okay, so here we did not get any error, which means that the mail is sent. And now let's go to the Gmail to check whether it is sent or not. Just sign in here by using M335033, which is a receiver email. I just put password. So here we can see whether it is received or not. So here you can see the first message. I just click on the sender email and the content, which is hello, I am from Python. So this is the way to send any message to any mail addresses.